Hi, welcome to clickmeproject.com. Now let me discuss about the title of the process. The title of the process is OCCT. That means a one class clustering tree for implementing one-to-many linkage, data linkage. The main objective of this paper is data linkage. Data linkage is nothing but a splitting of a data into many types. Normally it has been classified into two types. They are one-to-one data linkage and one-to-many data linkage. One-to-one is used to combine single object with the one data set with the single matching. Other type is one-to-many data type linkage. Is used to combine one data set with the group of objects to the other data set. So in our process, without using common entity, we are going to link the data by using one-to-many and one-to-one data linkage. This is the main objective of the process. Now let me discuss about the abstract of our process. Actually, in this paper, in the existing system, there are so many data linkages are available, but in that they are using the sharing the informations or data by using the same type of entities. So in the present state, one of the fine art in the data linkage is to match the entities from the different data sources which does not contain the common identifier. This is the main objective of our process. In that, here we are considering the one-to-many data linkage because to obtain the decision process based on the clustering tree. In the existing work, there is no one-to-many data linkage task which are addressed the issue among the same type of entities. In this paper, they propose 4 splitting criteria and 2 pruning methods called as pre-pruning and post-pruning methods which are used for inducing the OCCT. The proposed technique is based on the one-class clustering technique that's why we are named as the OCCT, which is used to describe the objects that should be linked together. In this, we are using the algorithms are called coarse-grained Jagged coefficient, fine-grained Jagged coefficient, least probable intersections, maximum likelihood estimations, MLE algorithms. These are the 4 splitting criteria algorithms are used for constructing the OCCT, and 2 pruning methods are used for constructing the OCCT. Now let me discuss about the data flow diagram of OCCT. First, we have to start our process by loading the data sets. In our process, we are using the 2 data sets named as the context data set and consumer data set. Actually, in this process, the expected outcome is considered as a decision model. In this, we use 2 data sets for constructing the OCCT. It does not have a common entity for both data sets. So one is a context data set and other one is a customer data set. Decision will be based on the normal user or malicious user. This is the expected outcome of the process. First, we have to load the data set 1 and data set 2. In this, we use data set 1 as a context data set 2 as a consumer data set. After load the data set, we have to pre-process the data set. If it is pre-processing takes place, means it goes to the another step. So in this, we have to create a training table from the 2 data sets which we taken as the input. After we take the input, we have to calculate the probability for each attribute. After we calculate the probability for each attribute, based on the probability value, we have to calculate the maximum likelihood estimation score, that is called MLE score, for every object in the data set. Based on the best MLE score, likelihood score, we have to choose the root node will be selected. After that, we have to choose the second level, third level attributes based on some thresholds level. After we choose that third level attributes or second level attributes, we are going to construct the tree. If the tree constructed means we are going to prune that process by using post pruning and pre pruning, otherwise we can't we apply pruning methods. After we construct the tree, we have to apply the MLE pruning methods. After apply the pruning methods, we are showing the decisions, and for two data sets which are matched successfully, the decisions will be based on a normal user or a malicious users. This is the complete data flow diagram of our process. Let me discuss about the complete demo of our process. First, you have to run home.java in a NetBeans IDE environment. Just right click and click run file. In that home page will be opened here. After home page will be entered in that process, you must click the button enter. So our project title is OCCT1 class clustering tree for implementing one-to-many data linkage. Just click the enter button. It will be redirected to the another frame. You have to choose a data set 1 called contacts data. Just click browse button, then choose dataset folder. In that we have a contacts data.csv. Just this is attributes and data in that dataset. Here we load the dataset into the database. All the data are loaded into the database. After the loaded into the database, here we view the data context data from database. So here we have attributes like time of execution and day of execution and geographical locations of the request, users role and type of request. Like that, here we are using these type of attributes in the contextual data set. After we load the contextual data sets, we have to choose a raw data set, and here we are applying the pre-processing. Symbols, unwanted symbols are converted into the null, and null values are deleted. After pre-processed data set, we view the pre-processed data set. Then click next button for browsing the another data set called customer data form. So here is this a customer data. Then load the data set into the database. Here you can view the data set attributes and its data as customer type, customer's name, then customer's name, first name and last name, address, zip code and place of work, and customer's type, like that. These are the attributes here we use in the customer data form. Then click next button. Here we have a raw data set. In that we have some unwanted values. Here we are going to clean the data set. Symbols are converted into the null. After convert the null values will be deleted. Pre-processing successfully completed. Then after we pre-process the data set, we view the pre-processed data set. Then click next button. Here we get combined table A relations and table B relations. This is a context data set, this is a consumer data set, and create a table for a training data set. Then click view. So by using these both type of data set, here we find another AB creation, AB table. Here we viewed here, and again click next. Total count of a tab, newly created table. Then construct a tree constructed successfully. Just click view button. So in the data 1 tab we have a morning, then data 1 tab 2 tab we have that type of attributes, then data 3, data 4, data 5, like that. After that click next button. Here we are constructing the trees. Just click node as a root node, value is a location of request. If the value is equal to location of request, then value is equal to Berlin, means it goes to the Hamburg Bremen. So by using these type of attributes, here we construct the tree for that process. After that click next button. If there is any no need to prune the Berlin branch, how to prune the Bremen branch, no need to prune the Hamburg branch, need to successfully finish the pruning process. Then here we click the we construct the tree for that process. After that here we view the nodes for constructed prune tree. and then here we classify the data based on prune data. This is important attributes for making decisions. Then click classify, then get class labels. If we click normal user means here we have a normal users of data. Then if you have to click malicious user means here we have a malicious decision values. Then get extract normal user details, create secure server log data. Here are the details entered in a server log data. So after based upon the time execution of existing system and proposed system, here we construct the graph for proposed system and existing system. This is a complete demo of our process. Thank you for watching.